EspressoWorks, the all-in-one espresso maker. Equipped with the advanced thermoblock heating system, is ready for use in 45 seconds or less. Fill up the front view water tank. Grind your favorite beans to a fine grind using the easy-to-use plug-in electric bean grinder. Select the single shot or double shot filter basket and guide it into the stainless steel portafilter. Using the tamper measuring spoon, fill the filter basket with espresso grinds. Tamp the grinds firmly. Lock the portafilter into the machine and place 1 or 2 of the ceramic cups under the filter holder. Press the on and off button. After a few seconds, the green light will illuminate, indicating the machine is ready for brewing or steaming. Turn the dial to espresso position and your espresso shot will begin to extract. When finished, simply turn the dial back to the middle off setting. EspressoWorks all-in-one set comes with a powerful, easy-to-use built-in steam wand to heat and froth milk to create a delicious latte or cappuccino. The all-in-one espresso and cappuccino maker, brought to you by EspressoWorks.
Congratulations on the purchase of your Delonghi pump espresso machine. Let's get ready to set it up for its first use. Carefully remove the machine from all packaging. Take out the manual and any literature from the top. Remove all accessories from the protective packaging. Carefully remove any tags or protective tape. The accessories which have been included are single and ESC filter basket, double filter basket, and scoop. Plug in your machine and turn it on. Fill the water tank with fresh, cold water. Close the lid to the water tank. Select the on-off and allow the machine to heat up the water. After a few seconds, the green OK light will come on. Attach the empty filter holder, fitted with any filter basket, to the boiler outlet by connecting and turning securely to the right. Remove the drip tray and place a suitably large cup under the outlets. Select coffee hot water and allow the hot water to flush through the system. When the green light goes off, switch back to on-off to stop delivery. This process should be repeated several times to ensure that the system is fully primed and the machine is ready to deliver fresh espresso drinks. Remove the cup and replace the tray. Your machine is now ready for normal use.
Introducing the 2-in-1 Hybrid Coffee Brewer for K-Cup and ground coffee by Spoli. This compact, innovatively designed machine fits perfectly with any space. Simply fill the water reservoir and press the K-Cup or ground coffee button. Hybrid technology brews coffee quickly and at the perfect temperature. Enjoy your cup of tasty coffee in just 3 minutes. Easily clean the coffee machine every 2 months by simply pressing 2 buttons. Enjoy a fresh and pure coffee taste with a 2-in-1 coffee maker by Spoli. Now available with a vacuum-insulated coffee tumbler featuring portable hand and openable cap. Spoli. Easy brew, easy life.
Every coffee bean grinds differently. The Grind Control by Breville is the first drip coffee maker with an adjustable grinder and calibration so you can customize your exact taste preference. Let's see it in action. Brew any size carafe, cup or mug without compromising on taste. The Grind Control, brought to you by the food thinkers at Breville.